Today, good morning. Today we are discussing the case of preeclampsia, and simultaneously we are discussing some point from clinical point of view. The patient is already in ward. You can see the patient afterwards, and Dr. Bhageshri Gadade is presenting the case of preeclampsia, which is admitted in our ANC ward. Let us discuss the case.
Patient Shada Dilip Kachre, 22 years old female, resident of Dhule, housewife by occupation, is a primary with 37 weeks of gestation, came with complaint of generalized weakness and edema all over the body since 1 month. Her last menstrual period is 9 September 2019. According to Necklace formula, the expected date of delivery is 15 June 2020. Her past menstrual histories, she had 4 to 5 days of bleeding. Her cycles were regular of 28 to 30 days and bleeding was moderate and painless. She is married since 1 year. This is her first pregnancy. She has taken 2 doses of injection TT at 3rd and 5th month of gestation. In medical history, she is a known case of PRH and is on tablet labetalol 50
First,
mg.
we will tell the history of onset, duration, and progress of chief complaint.
Patient was apparently alright 1 month back when she experienced edema, which was gradual in onset and which was grade 1 to start with, and now she is complaining of generalized anasarca. She
Okay, that's it.
In medical history, she is known case of PIH. Patient is on tablet labetalol 50 mg BD since 1 month. On examination, she is poorly built and is from low socioeconomic status. She is febrile. Her pulse is 98 beats per minute. Her BP
What are her, tell her family history, personal history, medical history, surgical history?
in family history, there is no history of preeclampsia in her mother, and there is no history of blood transfusion in family. In personal history, her sleep appetite, bowel bladder habits are normal.
Is there any history of any addiction?
There is no history of addiction.
What are all factors which are contributing to the preeclampsia?
She is anemia. And she is from
Personal history, what we are discussing
low
about.
socioeconomic status.
Personal history, in her personal history, which addictions are dangerous for preeclampsia, prone for preeclampsia?
Smoking.
Smoking. Tobacco chewing. Tobacco chewing, what we generally see is in the form of machine. They brush the teeth with that tobacco powder and they are addicted for that. In that form they are taking the tobacco in their body. So these are all again alcohol consumption. Okay, these are personal history points to be noted. Though we are not getting this patient here in our scenario, they are very common in foreign countries and in metropolis. Personal history, family history, similar complaints of anemia, similar complaints of eclampsia, any history of eclampsia, or history of any admission for that, any history of any hypertension, any history of any diabetes mellitus in her father and mother's family history. Okay, personal history, family history, surgical history. There is no specific surgical history per se for this patient. What are all negative history findings we can ask for this patient? What are the negative history findings What are negative history questions we are interested for this patient?
History of any blurring of vision,
Okay.
flashes before the eyes, history
Okay.
of headache,
Okay.
epigastric pain,
Okay.
nausea.
Any past illness?
No. We have already completed what with that now. Medical history we have already completed that. What we are asking about negative history findings. These are all findings are negative. Okay, that means what are all these findings are called as premonitory symptoms. Premonitory symptoms of what? Eclampsia conversion. So if she has got any of these premonitory symptoms, we should be alarmed with all this. Okay. So there is no premonitory symptoms with this. All history is negative. So this is very good from our point of view. What are all positive history findings from what we have observed or what we have asked? What are the all positive history findings which are in favor? Already she is diagnosed as a preeclampsia and she is taking treatment. Still, we are in search of some positive history findings so that we can have the diagnosis with the history for the next case.
She is from low socioeconomic status.
Okay, she is from lower socioeconomic strata.
She is primary.
She is primary gravida.
She is anemic.
She is anemic.
She is already diagnosed with PH.
Okay, she is already diagnosed. No problem. Okay, what are her examination findings? General examination.
Pallor is +2. Then edema is she is generalized anasarca. Then there is no cyanosis clubbing, icterus and lymphadenopathy. On systemic examination, CVS S1 S2 heard. No
How
murmur.
is see the pallor?
Pallor, lower palpebral conjunctiva. Then tip of the tongue. On
Nail beds.
nail beds, palms, and vagina.
Vagina, mucosa. Okay. Edema.
Edema, any bony point.